Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review this smart Wi-Fi power strip. It is done by AiCliv. It is a beautiful looking power strip. So let's go ahead and go through and show you what is involved in this. You can see that the box is really nicely designed. It has some markings in the back on exactly voltage, output, remote control, what type of wireless frequency you need to be connected to. All of them written here, but we will cover it on this video. So once we unbox it, you can see that it has two little papers that comes with it, and the first one is just a manual on how you can connect this with your handheld devices so you can take control. And also on the other side of it, it shows you can connect this with Amazon Alexa or with Google Assistants. With a voice control, you can turn it on and off. Plus it comes with a little paper that will indicate to you how you can get some support from the official creator of this power strip. Except that the power strip itself is looking beautiful. You can see that it has about a meter wire to it. It is very thick, and also the connection at the end of it is created for Canada and United States. If you look around, it is just white. Near to the power itself is where you're going to be connecting it to your wireless. So you have to hold that for 3 seconds and then the green light will be blinking. Except that once you hook it up to the power itself, it just comes on. Except that going to the front part of it, you have a power on and off manual. So this we do not have to use the wireless connection. And then you do have 4 120 volt connection there, and then you do have numbered from 1 to 4, and you do have a little LED connector on the bottom part of it, so it will show you which ones are on and which ones are off. Beside that, you do have 3 USB connections, and these are 5 volt 3 amps each, and total of 15 watts. On top of that, this is beautiful. So there is an app that's called Smart Life that you can get it from the Google Play Store unless you are using Apple devices like an iPhone or iPod or iPad, and then you can go to the App Store and download the Smart Life from there, and then you can go ahead and connect it. So the connection is very easy, so make sure that you hold that little button that we were talking about earlier for a few seconds, and then once it starts blinking, you have to go to the Google Play Store, download the app, and then just go next and click on it. That way you're going to be able to connect. So while you're doing it, I have to mention that your app cannot work on your 5G network or a mesh network. So make sure you are connected via 2.4 gigahertz network, which is a single band Wi-Fi, and then it will go through to find this device, and it will make a little clicking noise in order to connect. And once it is connected, you can see the bar is, once it gets about 17%, it's going to run all the way, and then it will give you a beautiful picture of the whole sockets there. And no, it is not going to be controlling the USB ports, which is 3 of them on this strip, and no, that's not going to work, but just the actual connectors, and that is very easy, and that's how it's going to connect. So when you click on it, it will make noise for it to be disconnected or connected. So you can see right now we connected one of our lights, and it's very easy to control it using your phone right now, and that's it. You can click on and off. Again, we do not have Amazon Alexa or Google Home, so we're not going to be able to use this with those devices. We did try to use it with our phone Google Assistants, but it does not work since it requires for it to be connected to Google Home for it to be able to use. But if you have it, this is beautiful. You can just yell out for it to close down or turn off, and it will close down that plug for you. It's very durable, very easy to use. Links will be available where you can order it from. On top of that, some official link will be available there too. So don't forget to visit our website, which is xctex.info. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram and other social networking places, and thank you.